In this video, I'm going to show you how to start an affiliate marketing YouTube channel that makes money. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to get started step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold with alstongodbold.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to give you everything that you need. I'm going to give you the keyword ideas. I'm going to show you how to link a solution, which is the product that you're an affiliate for, with the person that's interested in the product so that we can actually make money. I'm going to quickly go over some of the important things like channel art and banners and all of that stuff. To me, that's not as important and can be learned by other YouTube channels, but today we want to talk about affiliate marketing. So if you want to create a channel art, your banners, your thumbnails, you can use something like Canva. So if we go to canva.com just like that, and we can type in YouTube. So we're going to type in YouTube eventually, just like this, and you can find your thumbnails, your banner art, all of that good stuff, and go from there. Now, there are tons of other tutorials and videos that are going to show you the best type of banner art to create and all of that stuff. My channel is more about showing you how to actually monetize it. If you don't know how to do it yourself, you don't want to do it yourself, you can always jump over to Fiverr and you can type in YouTube banner and they're going to create it for you for as little as $5 or $10. We can type in YouTube channel art like this, and they're going to actually create it for you. Now, one tip that I recommend is do not use Fiverr for any affiliate marketing services. Don't send leads and subscribers to your channel with Fiverr. That's going to be a waste of your money, and potentially you can get your account banned. But Fiverr is great for graphic design, things like this. You can find people for as little as $5 or $10 to do it for you. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get to what's really important, which is potentially making money. Now, in the very beginning, you want to make sure that you are basing your content off of keywords. Because you have no traffic, you have no subscribers, no viewers, you want to try and get discovered organically in the search results. Now, ultimately, YouTube is a giant search engine, and you can come here and you can find different opportunities. For the purposes of this video, we're going to promote stand mixers. In fact, we're going to promote this Hamilton Beach stand mixer. This can work for any product or service that you are interested in. This can work for email marketing, ClickFunnels, Builderall, Kartra. This can work for Bluehost. In fact, I could show you Bluehost. This works for anything, but I'm going to use stand mixers just to show you how easy it can be. So what I've done is I've drawn this inverted pyramid. This pyramid are questions that people are asking because they don't know the solution. Now, again, affiliate marketing is linking the product, which is the solution, to a problem. These are problem questions that people are asking. And I'm going to show you, once again, how to get started. For example, at the bottom here, and I'm just going to put money here because this is usually where people are buying. They're pretty confident in the solution. They just want to make sure that they are making the best solution, making the best choice for them. So what we can do is we're going to go to Hamilton Beach electric stand mixer. We're going to copy this, jump back over to YouTube. We're going to paste this in, and as you can see, people are looking up reviews for this stand mixer. In fact, there are different types of these Hamilton Beach stand mixers that they're looking up reviews for. So we want to go back over here. This is the 4-quart one. So we want to make sure that we are selecting the 4 quarts. And as you can see, top result, 1.7 thousand views from 8 months ago. The one below it it's only a minute-and-a-half video, 21,000 views. That's from Hamilton Beach. They only have 5,000 subscribers, so you can outrank them. Look at this third one, 2.8 thousand views, 53 subscribers. And again, Hamilton Beach review. And they even say link in the description because they are an affiliate with Amazon. But as you can see, people are asking basic questions, and these videos are really short, and you can link out to the affiliate product. So as you can see, reviews work very well. Now, the key with reviews is you need to be honest with them. Most people can just see past bad reviews where people are just saying it's great. You want to make sure that you are weighing the pros and cons. Now, if you don't know anything about the product, one way to figure out the pros and cons is to look at the ratings. You can say some people are saying that this product is great because it cuts your time in half. Other people complain that this product, and we're looking at the 1-star reviews, some people complain about the build quality. Some people are saying that it's really cheap. Make sure that when you are creating content, be honest. Because again, we can all see through bad reviews. People are just promoting their affiliate product. So that's step one. That's the easiest way. In my opinion, reviews are also the most competitive because marketers realize that the customer is ready to buy. So I'm just going to put most competitive, just like that. And down here, in my opinion, it's the least competitive, but this is going to net the widest audience. The reason why this is most competitive is because it's at the bottom. People realize the problem and the solution, and so they're ready to buy. So let's go back up here. Now we're going to look at X versus Y. And once again, we could look into something like, let's go back over to YouTube. We can do like Hamilton Beach stand mixer. We can look up versus, or we can do Hamilton Beach stand mixer. Oops, let's do this correctly. Versus handheld mixer or KitchenAid. As you can see, some people are asking this question. Well, what's the difference between Hamilton Beach electric stand mixer or KitchenAid? And you can create content here as well. As you can see, Hamilton Beach versus KitchenAid stand mixer, 51 views from 3 months ago. This person doesn't have their view count up or their subscriber count up, so that's probably not a lot of viewers. So that's a good opportunity for us. We could even say something like stand mixer versus, and as you can see here, people are asking this question, stand mixer versus hand mixer. If we click on this, there's going to be more viewers and there's going to be more competition. But if we look at this, 722 subscribers, 831 views from just 3 months ago, that's a very good view to subscriber ratio. If we scroll through here, you're going to see 12,000 subscribers, 588 views. You can go through and essentially answer the question of what's the difference between stand mixers and hand mixers or food processors or whatever it is. Look at, let's do stand mixers versus bread maker. And again, you can do this with any product out there. Top result, 1,000 views. Second, 71,000 views. This person only 116 subscribers, 221 views. So that's a very good view to subscriber ratio if they keep going. But you can see there's opportunity here. And once again, you can approach it in two different ways. You can do, as I showed you, we could do, where's Amazon? There we go. You can do Hamilton Beach versus, let's do that. I'll do Hamilton Beach versus, and then you can see there's other types of here. Hamilton Beach versus KitchenAid or Black & Decker. Let's do that. Black & Decker, and we're going to do hand mixer or stand mixer. Let's do stand mixer, just like that. And people are asking questions. Now, if we go back over to our pyramid here, the way this is set up is people up here are very happy. They have no problems. They've got no worries. They are satisfied with their life. They come to YouTube because they have a problem. If you notice, I'm going to try and draw, let's assume each person equals 10 people or 100 people or 1,000 people. Okay. And so what happens is these guys are happy, right? And they all, whoops, let's undo that. And they all enter in because something happened to make them unhappy. They came to YouTube, maybe their stand mixer broke, maybe Thanksgiving's coming up and they have to bake 10 pies for their family that's coming in. They weren't able to celebrate Thanksgiving last year. They're doing it big this year. So they might be asking a question like how to bake a cake. They might be asking a question like how to mix, apple pie or something like that. Let's go back over here and we can type in how to mix. We're going to underscore here and then cake. How to mix a cake without a mixer. How to mix a cake batter. How to make cake. So let's look at this one. How to mix a cake batter. We hit enter. People are asking this question because you have to realize that people are coming to the market. New people are entering the market every single day. New people are entering and leaving. How to mix a cake batter. 40,000 views, 22,000 subscribers. How to make the perfect vanilla cake batter. This is interesting. So how to make the perfect vanilla cake. So they added in vanilla cake and batter. 194,000 views from 3 years ago. She only has 2,000, almost 3,000 subscribers. But believe it or not, people are asking this question over and over again. And one of the tools, one of the ways that you can mix cake batter is going to be with the stand mixer. So in your video, you are going to show them how to mix cake batter. Again, you can do this with any product or service. And you're going to say one of the most important things that help you is with a stand mixer. Then you link out to the stand mixer. And what will happen is some people will say, hey, this is great. Some people will go down and buy right away. Other people will leave. So I'm just going to put them out here. Maybe they want to mix it by hand, or maybe they're going to use a food processor, or they're going to order a cake. So people are going to enter and leave. So on the left is buyers, on the right are leavers. So instead of 5 people, now we have 4. They are intrigued by your content, but they want to learn more. Okay. So instead of 5, a few filtered out, now we have 4. Now we're going to go back over to YouTube, and people are looking up like best stand mixer for. And as you can see here, people are asking this question. Best stand mixer for, and then you can go through each letter of the alphabet. Whoops. Each letter of the alphabet for whipping cream, for, let's see, for rotini dough. Let's look at that one. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a list of 5 or 6 of the best stand mixers for rotini dough. You put your links into, you put your 5 or 10 affiliate links in the description. Once again, people are they're going to come down and buy whatever product that you're recommending, or they're going to leave. Maybe they think your options are too expensive. And then some people are going to, and I'm just going to draw arrows here, and some people are going to say, that sounds interesting, but I want to learn more information. So instead of 4, now we have 3 people. And if we draw an arrow here, these people maybe have narrowed down on this video. You've created best stand mixer for rotini dough, and you have a list of 5. Out of those 5, they like 2 or 3 of them, and so they're coming back over to YouTube and they're typing in. Let's go back over here. I know KitchenAid is a pretty big, so we'll do KitchenAid, KITCHEN, KitchenAid versus. And then usually there will be other opportunities. So we could do, let's do KitchenAid. We're going to delete this, KitchenAid stand mixer. And then we're going to do versus once again. And even when I did that, another opportunity popped up. People are asking questions directly about KitchenAid. Now this may or may not be as successful simply because they probably already have a KitchenAid mixer. You can try and integrate some of these as well, but that's something we could talk about at a later date. But if we do KitchenAid stand mixer versus, we can see here, people have determined that they're either going to get this KitchenAid stand mixer or they're going to get Kenwood. Or they're looking up something like hand mixing versus, let's do that one. We'll come back to this one. So I'm going to copy this. They're doing like hand mixer versus stand mixer, just like that. And here you can talk about the strengths and weaknesses of mixing it by hand versus doing it with a stand mixer. Now again, I can't illustrate this or emphasize this enough. This will work with any product or service if you know the product or service. Look at this. Second result, 831 views, 722 subscribers, and this is a 4-minute video that looks like it's vertical. But if we go back over here and we compare KitchenAid versus Kenwood, once again, you see that the top result here, 2.28 million subscribers, 677,000 views. The one below it though, 3,000 subscribers, 107,000 views, where people are simply making this comparison. Again, X versus Y. You put your affiliate link to both of them, and you can make money. And then we can come down here. Now again, we're going to do some people are leaving, some people are buying. All right, and then you come down here. Once again, you do the review video, and we've got 2 people left, and then we might have 1 person down here. But this is how you make money with affiliate marketing, and it can work with any niche. It can work with anything from basket weaving to whittling. But the key is, if you have no idea where to start with a product. Now, if you're going to do Amazon, I recommend that you find a product that's at least $150 so that it is worth it for you. But this can work for any product and or service. Now that you know how to start an affiliate marketing YouTube channel, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.